The essential understanding for this lesson is pictures and equations can be used to solve word problems involving measurements. Measurements can be added and subtracted in the same way as other whole numbers. Previously, students used addition and subtraction to solve problems involving measurements. In this lesson, students add or subtract to find the unknown measurements in word problems, using equations and pictures to help. This problem is key because students must solve a problem involving measurements. They are asked to write an equation using a question mark for the unknown number and to use a picture or other strategy to solve it. Listen and look for students who write an addition equation that represents the problem. 64 plus 7 is equal to an unknown number, and then use the standard addition algorithm to find the sum. Assure these students that they have solved the problem correctly, but encourage them to think of how they could use a picture to solve this problem. Listen and look for other students who draw part of a meter stick to find the unknown measurement. Each mark in their picture represents 1 centimeter. They start at 64 centimeters and count on 7 centimeters to solve. They land on 71. So, Stewart's dresser is 71 centimeters long. These students show that they understand how to use pictures and equations to find unknown measurements in story problems. This prepares students to solve more sophisticated measurement word problems, including addition problems with unknown addends and subtraction problems with unknown subtrahends.
Michelle jumped 24 inches. Tim jumped 7 fewer inches than Michelle. How far did Tim jump? Will the number of inches Tim jumped be more or less than 24? How do you know? The number of inches will be less than 24 because Tim jumped 7 fewer inches than 24. What type of equation can you write to show the problem? You can write a subtraction equation to show the problem. Which number in the equation represents the length of Michelle's jump? 24 represents the number of inches Michelle jumped. The equation also shows the 7 fewer inches Tim jumped and the unknown length that Tim jumped. Why isn't a number used to represent the length of Tim's jump? What symbol is used instead? The length of Tim's jump is unknown, so a question mark is used. To find the unknown length, you can draw a picture, such as a yardstick. Then you can count back to solve the problem. What number should you start at to count back 7? To count back, start at 24 inches. Count back to find 7 inches fewer than 24 inches. Tim jumped 17 inches. Does the answer make sense? Yes, the answer makes sense because Tim jumped 7 fewer inches than 24. 7 less than 24 is 17. Now you know how to find unknown measurements.
Great job!
I just walked 50 feet. My friend Jonathan walked 15 more feet than I did. How many feet did Jonathan walk? I'll use what I know about measurement and solving problems to find out. First, I will write an equation to show the problem. What operation should I use? I'm thinking addition because Jonathan walked 15 feet more than I did. So 50 plus 15 equals what? And I'll use a drawing to help me solve the problem. I know, I'll use an open number line to break apart the numbers in the problem. That will make adding easier. Let's start at 50. Then I'll add 10 of the 15. That gets me to 60. I need to add 5 more because 10 plus 5 equals 15. That gets me to 65. 50 plus 15 equals 65. That's how far Jonathan walked, 65 feet. And that's it. I solved the measurement problem using an equation and a drawing.